Hi, my name is Naoya Kumoji. Welcome to Cook Accra. And today we're going to be showing you how to prepare cayenne pepper. And in Ghana, cayenne pepper is called Akweley Waabii. It means Akwele's fingers, literally in Ghana, that's what it means. So today we're going to be showing you how we slice, how we dice, and the different ways you can use cayenne pepper in your cooking. It's so fragrant and it has a lot of heat. But I'm going to also show you how you can prepare it with very little heat in your food, so you can use it in your soups, in your stews, in your salads. Oh yes, you can use cayenne pepper in your salads as well. We're going to be using the chef's knife to cut along lengthwise. So this is going to reveal the seeds inside the cayenne, and you have the ribs lining in there. Using a teaspoon, you can gently take out the seeds and the ribs. So the seeds actually makes the cayenne pepper much hotter, and taking it out reduces the heat, and you can chop it up. So there you have your cayenne pepper with less heat. Anytime you want to make a vinaigrette and have the sweet in there, or you want to have a bit of spice in there, you can add a bit of honey, a bit of sugar, vinegar. You add it to the chili to make your own sweet chili sauce. If you want more heat, which most of us do, you just keep the seeds in there and you chop it up as usual. So chopping it up in this way gives you a more uniform look, and you can also use this in your sauces. You can fry it with your ginger, your garlic, whether you're making tomato sauce, whether you're making jollof. Very important. Okay, so you add it to your oil and you cook it with your onions and ginger. And lastly, we cut it up lengthwise again. Okay, if we want to have striped look in your food or whatever you're cooking. Okay, so the same method as we did for reducing the heat, we take out the seeds again, cut the cayenne into strips. I actually love this because, it gives you a different feel, a different texture to your salads, whatever you're making. So these are the 3 different ways you can prepare cayenne pepper. And whatever look you want to go for, whatever you're making, you can decide to choose the one that's most appropriate. So in Ghana, we either grind our chili in the Asanka or a wooden or clay mortar to further process it and make it smoother, or you can decide to put it in a food processor and blend it or blitz it to get the smoother texture that you can use to make your chili sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to show you very briefly how we use the Asanka to make our chili sauce when we are grinding it. This is the Asanka bowl, which is a very traditional cookware in Ghana, and we use this to grind most of our vegetables when we want to process it into a smooth texture. And it's made from clay, so whatever you grind in this is going to give it that earthy flavor in there. And I love it because it gives you that distinct taste that you can't get when you use a blender or when you use a food processor. Trust me, it's like 2 different things altogether, and we all know, right? Just that this is going to take a bit more time in terms of grinding your chili or your tomatoes or your onions, but it's worth it in terms of taste. It's really beautiful. And this is what we call tapoli, and the tapoli is basically the pestle, or what we are going to use in grinding. So you grip it with your full hand, make sure that it's sitting in the palm of your hand, and gripping it by the head, and with firm pressure you press down and you keep turning your hand in a circular motion, and as you can see, the chili is becoming smoother and smoother. So this is just to show you how we use Asanka mortar to make our chili sauce. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this really interesting, incredible session on how we prepare cayenne pepper, whether it's slicing it, if you want less heat, taking out the seeds and the ribs, right? And how we grind it in the Asanka bowl or Asanka mortar. And don't forget to like this video if you've really loved it and you've learned something new, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.